And you pulled me in soft as our lips got lost in a secret that was yours and mine. Then the years fell down, here we are right now. I can see it in those eyes, on your grown-up face, feeling out of place. Darling, you could take me back in time. You could take me back in. Darling, you could take me back in time.
It's 2 in the morning, tears are falling. I got a feeling like I fell off a balcony, like I fell off a balcony. Temperature is running high, I didn't see it coming. Tell me, what have you done to me? Tell me, what have you done to me? I put my trust in you, I always told the truth. I put my trust in you, I held it out to you. You're not the person that I thought you were. You're not the person that I knew. 'Cause I've seen it now, you've truly shown your dark side. I'm leaving now, the demons out of your mind. You can say all you wanna say, but you got nobody else to blame. So don't you drag me over to the dark side. You're running on empty, lost it already. You're playing the dirty while you're taking it out of me. While you're taking it out of me. So you're looking to start a
on the ocean, drive fast through your emotions, high speed, and we're together till the end. The sun is going down, the night just falling out. High speed, we're still together, nothing more. Highway along the ocean, drive fast through your emotions, high speed, and we're together.
Hello you guys, I hope you did enjoy that edit of my vacation. I apologize that I have not uploaded in like 5 days, but let me explain. Thursday morning when I was getting ready to leave for the vacation to Helen, Georgia, I was packing everything because again I pack at the last minute. So I was packing all my stuff here in my bed. I went and got my girlfriend, I showered, worked out, did all this stuff. I was packing everything, brought all my stuff downstairs, and forgot to tell myself to come back up here and get my camera. So I got my batteries, my camera battery chargers, my SD card, everything except for my camera. So with that being said, I didn't get all the shots that I wanted to. I didn't have the gorilla pod, I didn't have a tripod, I didn't have any of the equipment that I wanted to have to actually get some really good shots. The whole first day I was completely upset that I forgot my camera, so I didn't shoot much, but again, I sucked it up, picked up my phone, used my iPhone 7 Plus to record the footage, put it in 60 FPS, and it looked really nice. Still not as nice as the camera that I would have liked to have, but it worked. With that being said, I didn't get all the shots I wanted to. When I got on top of the waterfall, I was way up top. I was kind of captivated in the moment because it was one of the most beautiful sights I've ever seen in my entire life. And I just completely forgot to take my phone out. I got a few shots of the waterfall and the view, but I really didn't get what I wanted to. I wanted to get a shot from the bottom. I wanted to get a shot looking up at me, looking over. I just didn't get all the stuff that I wanted to get. The thumbnail that you guys are seeing is edited. I was actually up at the top of that mountain, the cliff thing, but you couldn't see me. All you could see is like the tip of my head, so I edited myself in there just so you guys know that's where I was. But I'm telling you guys right now, that picture is not an actual picture. But again, the vacation was one of the most amazing times of my life. It was absolutely amazing, up there with the Panama City trip, the Ohio trips, and all this stuff that I've been doing lately. But I'm beat. It's very late. I hope you did enjoy that edit. Next video will be a video coming from the day before the vacation. It was a workout edit. I just really wanted to get this video out here, so I can apologize for not uploading. But tomorrow there will be a video of a workout. And then the next video, I have planned out videos. So we're good. Back on track, ready to go. Daily to bi-daily uploads. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. As always, do not forget to subscribe. Comment any sort of ideas you have below for vacations or cool vlogs that I could do, or any sort of videos that I could really do. Let me know your thoughts on this video. What could I do to edit better? I'm not a pro. Teach me. Let me know some tricks, some tips. But with that being said, I'm going to sleep, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's make sure you're getting better every single day. Peace out, guys.